Welcome to Lesson 2, Estimating Products. A product, as we know, means a multiplication question. And estimating is when we're trying to quickly and easily figure out the answer to the multiplication question without actually getting the exact answer. We just want an answer that's close to the real answer. So when might we estimate? Well, we've all been on a shopping trip to the grocery store. And when we go to the grocery store and we buy a number of things, we may only have a little bit of money or so much money in our wallets. And so as we add new items to the grocery cart, we don't want an embarrassing situation where we end up paying for our groceries and finding out that we don't have enough cash in our wallet. So we might estimate, as we put new items into the cart, how much they are going to cost. So let's try an example together. Let's say we have 27 students in our class, and we want to figure out how many points we would get if on our point chart, if each student got 2 points. That's kind of a tough multiplication to do. So we're going to turn it into an easier multiplication that we can do quite quickly and easily. We're going to turn 27 into an easier number to work with. And since 30 is close to 27, we're going to use 30. So we'll turn our multiplication question into 30 times 2. Now, let's pause for a moment and think about 3 times 2. That's even an easier multiplication. We know that 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And so 30 times 2 would equal to 6 plus, remember from the last lesson, we have the 0 here for the 30, so we're going to have to add the 0 there to turn it into 60. So 30 times 2 is 60. So our estimate for 27 times 2 is 60. It's not going to be the exact answer, but it's going to be pretty close. Let's try one more example. Let's do one more example. Let's say I was having a birthday party and I was inviting 17 friends to my birthday party. And I wanted to give each of my 17 friends a goodie bag. And I figured out that each goodie bag would cost $8 to put together. So my multiplication is 17 times 8. That's kind of tough to do. So I'm going to turn it into an easier multiplication. I'm going to round 17 to 20. And try to do it that way. Now an even simpler multiplication is 2 times 8, and I know that the answer is 16. So 20 times 8 should be 16 plus the extra 0 I put at the end, and so I get 160. So my estimate is that my 17 friends goodie bags is going to cost me $160. So the whole reason why I estimate is to create a simpler question that I can do quickly and easily, and then my answer actually is fairly close to the real answer. So have fun with your own estimations, and please watch the video again if you need to.